Boom, boom, boom. Let's go ahead and talk about end behavior of graphs today. And I put a polynomial on here, third degree, so we can take a peek and write the end behavior. Now, when we write the end behavior of a graph, what we like to do is think about what is happening to the right or out towards infinity, and what is happening to the left or down towards negative infinity, and what is happening with the graph. So the way we write our end behavior is we start by saying, well, let's go to this side over on the right as x is moving towards infinity, or as we look right on the graph, what is happening to the graph? Well, as we look to the right, as we keep going to the right, check it out. This graph is moving up, okay? And so what we'd say is as x approaches infinity, f of x is also going to infinity. So if we were to write that in words, we'd say as we look right on the x-axis, the graph grows. Or maybe we could say increases to infinity, okay? And that's all this statement right here actually means. So as we look right, as x approaches infinity, f of x is also approaching infinity. Well, then we go to the other side and we say, now what we need to do is we need to look left. So as we look left on the x-axis, okay? And how we write that is simple. We just say as x approaches negative infinity. And all we're saying is as we look to the left, right down in that direction, what is happening to the graph? Well, as we look left, notice that what's happening to the graph, it is moving down and it is decreasing. And what we would say is, well, that means f of x is going towards negative infinity, okay? And we can continue the statement so it makes more sense. As we look left on the x-axis, the graph is decreasing. Or maybe we can say goes down or decreases, okay, to negative infinity. And that is all this statement is as x approaches negative infinity, f of x equals negative infinity, or as we look left on the x-axis, guess what? The graph is decreasing and decreasing and decreasing and decreasing to negative infinity.